Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hi there, kids. Today, we're going on an animal adventure. We're going to learn about animals whose names start with the letter J. Are you ready? Let's go. Jaguar. J is for jaguar. Can you say jaguar? Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Jackal. J is for jackal. Can you say jackal? Jaybird. J is for jaybird. Can you say jaybird? Japanese macaque. J is for Japanese macaque. Can you say Japanese macaque? Jungle fowl. J is for jungle fowl. Can you say jungle fowl? Jabiru. J is for jabiru. Can you say jabiru? Japanese spider crab. J is for Japanese spider crab. Can you say Japanese spider crab? Java sparrow. J is for Java sparrow. Can you say Java sparrow? Jumping spider. J is for jumping spider. Can you say jumping spider? Jackrabbit. J is for jackrabbit. Can you say jackrabbit? Wow! Look at all the amazing animals that start with the letter J. Great job, friends! Keep learning and exploring the wonderful world of animals. See you next time, bye-bye!
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.